If you're looking to build a powerful high-end website for your marketing agency, for your real estate agency, or even for your e-commerce brand or home business, this is the video for you to watch. Now, my name is Sebastian. I am the founder and CEO of Volkis Media. We are a marketing agency specializing in brand positioning and basically building market resonance for huge e-commerce businesses. Now, we work with small businesses all the way up to large businesses, and our ultimate goal is to take small dropshipping brands and turn them into global or national successful brands. And this is our website. So I want to take you through our website to start off with, and then I'm going to take you through how you can easily build one for yourself and the pros and cons of building it on Webflow. So if you don't know what Webflow is, you can go ahead and watch one of my other videos. It will be on my channel. I think it'll be in the same playlist. You can go ahead and watch that video. Basically, I go ahead and review Webflow as a tool for people to get started with. But if you do want to get started, there is a link, top link in the description. You can go ahead and build some really cool looking websites. I think it's only $25 or $30 a month, which is incredibly reasonable for how powerful Webflow is. So let's just dive into my website and I'll take you through what different features are. So obviously, this is our homepage. Now, there's two ways of building a website. You have your landing page, which is essentially a page that you can build to drive traffic to for one conversion goal. So, for example, if it's to get leads, to then follow up with, to then get a call booked, then you want to build a separate landing page. This is more of a brand homepage complete website, and that's what we're going to be talking about in this video today. Now, if you want to go ahead and create separate pages, you can see here, for example, these are all of the landing pages that we have currently in the process at the moment. As you can see, we haven't finished this website, which is why it's not live. There's a lot of stuff that needs to be completed before it goes live. But also, if you do want to work with our agency, there will be a link in the description. It'll either be a Calendly link to book in a quick 10-minute consultation call, or it'll take you to a basic website in the meantime. That call is obviously, it's just to get an idea whether we want to work with you. We only work with specific e-commerce brands. We don't work with everyone, so we want to get an idea from you whether we can work with you. We'll probably get access to some of your accounts. We'll go through the data on your Shopify store. We'll go through your ad data on Facebook and Google or TikTok, whatever brand platforms you're using. So if you want to go ahead and book a call, you can always do that down below. But let's just get back into the website. Now, some of the things that are really cool about Webflow are the animations. You can see here, obviously, when I hover over, they all glow. You know, if I click this, it opens a nice little pop-up. Now, that's nothing special, but again, if I hover over the buttons, everything changes, the arrow moves out, everything looks very smooth and seamless. And you're probably wondering, do I need to do this for my business? Well, that really depends. If you are a small business, you're looking to get started, you haven't got much traction at the moment, and you're not really sure whether it's going to work, then you can get started with a very simple Webflow website, and you can just build a simple landing page for whatever you're looking for. Webflow is excellent for that. You can build it for desktop, laptop, tablet, and mobile, all in one thing. It's very quick and easy to use, and a lot of it will actually automatically do it for you. But if you're looking to take your brand to the next level, so if you're looking to take your agency to the next level and sort of display a higher level of trust to your clients or prospects, then Webflow is the way to go. Now, because of the nature of what we do, you can see here, this is a breakdown of the packages that we offer. Now, we do offer things outside of this, but most clients come to us and can pick and choose from these 6 packages. Now, we always offer paid advertising is, given. That is what we do. Typically, we do Facebook and Google ads as basic, and then you can add on TikTok as well if you're looking to use TikTok. Vice versa, if you're using Google and TikTok, then that's fine. We can go ahead and use those platforms for you. Social media marketing is something that we do for a lot of our brands that are up and coming or trying to really establish themselves out there in the market. These are brands that want a strong social media presence, whether that's Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. Usually we specialize in Instagram and TikTok. That's content creation or content creation guidance. And a lot of the time for our clients, they go out and get the content. We tell them sort of what content they need. We find competitors. We give them the posting schedule. We can always post for them. We have a team of people who can do all the copywriting for the copy that goes on those posts. We can do comment management and all of those things to help you grow your social presence. Now, that's not quick. It does take time to build it over time, but it can be incredibly powerful if you are an e-commerce brand. If you're looking to take things to $100,000, $200,000, $300,000, $400,000 a month, you really need a strong social media presence. Funnel optimization, that's something we do as a given. That's basically increasing your conversion rates, conversion rate optimization, and everyone gets access to that. And then there's obviously email, SEO, and SMS marketing, which are separate packages which we can offer our clients. Typically, we always offer email marketing, but SMS marketing is definitely highly recommended. And then SEO. I'm going to get to SEO in a minute. That's something we offer within the agency, but it's something we're building into this website and why I recommend Webflow. So actually, just a brief introduction there. If you are interested in using Webflow, I don't know if I've already mentioned this, but there is a link, top link in the description. You can go ahead and sign up for Webflow. It's about $25, $30 a month, and you can start building your website to whatever specifications you like, but go ahead and use that link in the description. Now, one of the other things I wanted to show you were the transitions and some of the cool things you can do. So you can see here, this is obviously our marketing plan that we have. It's a 3-step marketing plan, and I wanted to display it in a simplistic way as possible. And you can see the cool thing about this is, you know, we have this scrolling animation. You know, we keep this section here. It's very obvious what this section is talking about. And then this 3-step plan can scroll along next to it. And these are all really cool things that you can do within Webflow that you can't necessarily do on platforms like ClickFunnels, which a lot of agency owners will use. Squarespace and things like that are very good, but the problem with them is you don't have as much control, and we'll go into the editor on Webflow in just a second. And then obviously, I mean, you can see this isn't finished yet. There are placeholder images and there are some spacing issues, but I wanted to give you an idea of what a Webflow can look like if you do it properly. So if we come over to the editor, this shows you what the editor looks like. Now, if you are new to Webflow, it can be slightly daunting for people just because of the editor. It's very sort of hands-on, whereas things like Squarespace are you download a template and then you just upload images, upload text, and then you're done. There's not very much more to it. Whereas with this, you can add in building blocks. You can delete things, you can change things, you can add things, you can add in custom code, all sorts of things. And it's very simple to do. So for example, let's say after this section here, I wanted to add in a new section. I can take this section tool and just drag and drop it, and I can place it in there, and I have a new section. Now, in the age-old here's one I prepared earlier, here is one I have prepared earlier, you can see that we have a section, and then if we come here, we can see we have a container, and then we have a grid. Now, the good thing about Webflow is you can use containers and grids to keep your website very uniform. You want to make sure that everything is the same width. You don't want to have really wide things and really narrow things, and obviously there are some aspects of that. As you can see here, this goes all the way over to the edge. So obviously this website, like I said, isn't finished, but we need to put this within a container. That container will constrain its proportions, so it will be the same width as everything else. You can see here, everything is always the same width, and you want to make sure that that is continuous all the way down your website. You don't want this to happen, and that's what containers are used for. And then you can go ahead, you can drag things in like images, you can have lists, you can have paragraphs, you can have headlines, and then you can do all sorts of things like videos and forms and build your own forms and things. So it's incredibly powerful what you can do with Webflow. You know, you don't need to say, well, I have to have a contact page. You can have your contact form on your homepage if you want. You can build separate landing pages. You know, if you want to run ads to your agency, then perhaps you don't want to run it to this homepage. You know, this isn't optimized to get leads. This is more of a descriptive process of what our agency does. So if we run ads to it, we will build a separate landing page. For example, you can see here, let's just minimize that. We have a list of landing pages. For example, let's say video landing page was the actual landing page we run ads to. We can build a separate landing page that looks like this, that will run ads to, and this will be optimized for our company. This will be optimized to get leads or book a call or whatever the process is that we're looking to do with that. The other thing about Webflow is imagine it's a template to build a proper website. It's not just there to build a landing page. You can build a landing page on it, but it's there to build a proper website. And one of the things that we're doing with our agency as we transition and move further forward and try and grow and scale, we are introducing a lot more SEO into our website. So this is what we do with our clients. You can see here, SEO. We do a lot of SEO on our own website and a lot of SEO on our clients' websites. And basically the plan with this is we're going to build a blog. So we will have a blog section. Now our company has this YouTube channel. So anything that we film on a YouTube video, most of it will then be turned into a blog, which will have descriptions about the video, and then the video linked, and also a call to action to book a call with our agency. Now, the good thing about that is we provide backlinks for our YouTube videos. We provide backlinks from YouTube to our website, which obviously helps with our SEO ranking. But we also have a huge amount of keywords relevant to our business, relevant to our company, all on our website. So over time, this is a slow process. Over 3 to 6 or 12 months, we will gradually start getting organic traffic from Google coming to our website, seeing our brand, seeing our business, seeing the results that we can get or the videos that we do, and then obviously booking a call and getting in touch with us. The other thing is obviously a blog page. So you can see if you scroll down to the bottom here, we are currently in the process of adding in blogs. So we will do reviews, or we will do videos on how to grow your e-commerce brand, or whatever it may be that we think are useful to our company and our audience, and then we will basically turn them into videos and we'll turn them into blogs. And then obviously here, let's say for example this was a one of our blogs, 5 SEO factors. On here we have all of the content that we're looking for. This will rank in Google, hopefully. If we have 100 or 50 blogs, gradually they'll start to rank, and then we'll bring in customers for our agency. So this is for those of you who are looking to build a very long-term brand. If you want to make sure that you're building something that's powerful and it's going to bring in customers in the future, then you want to make sure you use something like Webflow, just because of the versatility and how much you can build on Webflow. So I'm going to wrap this video up here. If you are interested in using Webflow, the top link down below in the description is there. You can go ahead and sign up for Webflow. You can download a template, you can buy a template, you can get started just on your own. It's very easy to learn. If you want to see more videos on how to use Webflow, leave a comment down below. I'm happy to film a video like that. And if you do want to work with our agency, again, the link is down below in the description. You can go ahead and schedule a call with our agency. We'll just do a quick sort of 10-minute call, get to know you, and then we'll provide you an audit and then get on another call to see if we are a good fit. So I hope that's everything. I hope you guys got some useful stuff from that video, and I will see you in the next one.